Hello, my name is Mark Moyman of Steamer Software. I'd just like to take a few moments to introduce TeeChart for Net charting components for Microsoft Visual Studio Net 2010 programming environment. Steamer has been offering charting solutions since 1995, and we've been working with Net since 2002. TeeChart for Net is an all-in-one charting library. It's written in C#, and it offers development components for charts, maps and gauges to be used with WinForm, ASP.NET Web Form with Ajax optimizations, WPF forms, Silverlight, Compact Framework and reporting services. 100% source code is available for all TeeChart code. In this demo we'll show TeeChart in a Windows Forms project. I've already created a form and we're adding the chart to it. We'll fill out the space. The top item here is a chart controller. This can be associated with the chart. If we right click on the chart to open the editor, we can add a series type selected from the gallery. In this case we'll add an area, and we'll add a line. Behind this button I put a line of code that will fill the area with random data. And if we go back to the editor and select the line, we'll add the data to the line as being a function of the area series. In this case we set function, and we can choose from one of the function types available, here being average, and selecting area as the data source. If we go to the options tab, we'll change the average to be a function of every 3 points, and you'll see that the line takes shape. If we now run the example and add random data, you'll see the line here following the average of the area series. This chart can be zoomed, or it could be scrolled. We could rotate the whole chart, or we could zoom the whole chart in and out. We could change the perspective of it and modify the depth. The chart could be set to back to 2D, and if we go to the editor we could change and add some points to the line series, for example, making the points visible, making them a little bit larger, and we could change them perhaps into a sphere. One other thing I'll show here would be the themes. You can set from a series of available themes, and here we'll set a black theme for the chart. We'll take a look at some of the demos included with TeeChart. You can view those in the evaluation version and all of the source code. This is TeeChart WPF version on a WPF form. If we run the demo, you'll see that you can move through the demo by selecting the combos and looking at the different options of that. Zoom and scroll is available. TeeChart includes gauges and maps and many different series types and many different kinds of tools. The Silverlight demo shown here is outwardly similar in appearance and in functionality, and likewise the source code is included to show you how to create all of these different examples and to apply them to your own project requirements. This is TeeChart's web chart for ASP.NET. This is the editor that you can use to change the different options for viewing the chart. If we run that, you'll see this is the zoom tool for web chart. This would be the scrolling tool, And finally we'll look at TeeChart mapping. This is the mapping example. Maps courtesy of National Atlas. If we run this demo, you'll see our first demo opens with a world map, and we can zoom in and out of that, and we could load the example of the US map that we have here, which is rather more detailed. You'll see the detail on the coastline is really quite superb here. Thank you for taking your time to look at the demos. If you'd like to learn any more about Steamer's products or to try out the fully functional version of TeeChart for Net, the evaluation is available at the web at worldwideweb@steamer.com, or if you have any questions, please let us know at info@steamer.com. Thanks once again.